Hey, how's it going YouTube? My name is Damit and we're gonna build this PC today. First, if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe now. So let's dive into the build. I got Cooler Master Masterbox Lite for the case, and it has tempered glass plus RGB fans. For the power supply, I went with EVGA SuperNova 650 G3 650 watt power supply. I got Gigabyte Z370 AORUS Gaming 5 for the motherboard. Next I paired it with Intel Core i7 8700K and Crucial Ballistix DDR4 memories. For cooling, I went with Cooler Master 240mm liquid cooling kit. And lastly, I got Samsung 970 EVO NVMe drive and a 1TB Western Digital drive for storage. So let's dive into the assembly. First, I remove both side panels and front panel from the case. Then install the motherboard standoffs and the I/O shield for the motherboard. Next I install the power supply and the CPU very carefully. Then the RAM and the liquid cooler I installed behind the camera. However, I skipped on the GPU because this computer will be used mainly for work and YouTube. But we have plenty of power and space for a GPU if needed in the future. Finally, I route all the wires behind the motherboard tray. Just like that, we are done. Use this video as a simple guide. Please share your ideas down in the comments below. Subscribe and share. I will see you next time. Thank you so much. Bye bye.